Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your favorite Odoziaku here in the village. As you can see, my compound everywhere is so busy on a with a mother. And I wouldn't be the one to introduce this vlog, so I will go and meet somebody, probably the oldest person in the family, my mother-in-law, and she will tell us what is happening today. By the way, enjoy this natural face. That is what village brings. You know, you cannot always look the way you want to look, so we just manage what we see. Mama, how are you? Mary, okay, let me take you to the kitchen where everything is being done. I'm late today. As you can see, almost everything has been cooked and packed, and this is the apple. Different delicacies have been dished out. Let's see what's here. Hey, unu mege ihe shige mo OMUGWO. Unu emena daalụ no jishinike. Unu emela nke ukwu. Abịara m late mana nsogbu adịghị. Chukwu gozie unu. Dadozi bịa za anya ajụjụ. Biko. Hata gị onye isi biko kọwatụrụ anyị gịnị ka ishige. Gwakwana anyị uru ọ dị uru mkpa ihe ishige mbido.
Buko ọ dị mkpa maka ịdị ndụ n'ala ndị dị ndụ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Dịka Chineke duru nworu a wee ndụ anyị amalite na-eme OMUGWO. Anyị si Chineke ekene dịrị ya n'ihi na ihe a bụ omenala ndị be ka anyị na-eji eme. Anyị ewepụrụ ụmụ ya wee yobata anyị na-eme ya n'udo. Anyị na-ekele Chineke n'ụbọchị nke taa wee na-eri na-aṅụ. Ọ bụ omenala anyị ka anyị na-eme site n'aha Jizọs. Anyị si ka Chineke dị otu a na-emere anyị na-aga n'iru n'aha Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị.
Amen. Daalụ imeela nke ukwuu. All right, we move ahead. I now go to the men. Anyway, today is basically OMUGWO and is mainly for the men. Yes, I know we all know OMUGWO is more about when a woman gives birth, her mom or someone comes to assist her. So today's one is for the men, and it means you call your kinsmen, you distribute. Anyway, they have particular food items that you usually have to give them, and they have a particular measurement. I heard in the past it's usually big, but because people are no longer into farming as it was in the past, they have to reduce it so that it will be easier for those who have a smaller family. And all right, so I'll go to where the men OMUGWO is being done. That is where the this one is not even Omuna, this one is Ndidi, because I'm married to this place, so basically they are all my husbands. So let's go and see what is happening. Nabile, Shiniko. Good evening. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, longest time. Happy New Year. Hello, Tiberi. Okay, so I'll get to explain what's happening. All right. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, can you help us explain what's happening here?
Okay, this is what we call omugwo in a traditional way. Understand? This is a right. Anybody that has a child in his or her father, in his father's land here, understand? This is a debt you must pay. It's just like a right you owe your kindred men on a celebration. You have to pass through and each and every one of your child you have, whether 10, whether 1, whether 7, and you must go through process of this to one after the other. If it's supposed to be as soon as you have a child, you go through this ritual. It's a normal thing to each and every family.
So what's the significance? Does it have any particular significance in the sense like, are you here to tell your kinsmen that you have a child, or what's the significance?
You don't need to tell us. As soon as your wife delivered, there's a joy of celebration, and once that joy, once everybody heard about that, they have started counting days, waiting for you to call your people. Understand? So, and whether 10 years, whether life or death, that is normal thing. Whether you're living or you're dead, you must say debt you must pay.
You must pay. Okay. And when one doesn't do that, what are the consequences? Does it have any consequences?
The only thing is that they'll start, counting this for you. If there is any guard, anybody that's doing this to each other, once it comes there, they will deprive you for that ownership sharing.
Okay.
Understand?
So basically what we are here today to do is just to share the food items.
Exactly. Okay. It's not food items. This is a right.
Okay. To give the right
to together. Okay. There are ones we have to give you and the ones we expected from you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dalu. Hey guys, so you just heard from him. This is what we call omugwo for the men. I don't know if it's I don't know if other parts of Igbo land do it, but here where I'm married, even my own place, we usually do this. The men usually do this omugwo. Even for the women also have their own rights. So once you have your child, you are expected to do this for them. So when you hear omugwo, you have to think twice, or you can ask questions if you want. If the omugwo refers to the omugwo of the woman who gave birth, that's maternity leave for the woman, or omugwo that's giving the rights to the people, your kinsmen. Like me, I'm also expected. Okay, basically, I don't know if I've said this earlier. The omugwo they're doing is actually for my child. Okay, the omugwo they're doing. This one is no longer omugwo. If you want, you can add s. It's making it plural omugwos. Because I had my 3 children, and since I had them, my husband has not done any. So he's doing all of them together because we came back and he wants to fulfill these rights to his kinsmen. So they are doing 3 omugwo for 3 children today, my 2 sons and my daughter. And yes, I will try my best to get all the details, especially the videos and when they are sharing the rights to the men. Okay, I hope you're enjoying, and if you're doing so, don't forget to subscribe as you keep watching.
So because
Yes. I know carry here. Not every December. And sometimes Easter period. I know carry because when you can now with the man. When you play with company or something like that. Oh, when you chance can have. Oh, okay, that is before. What I do, that I no one did my Gano can do Megan in law. Okay, thank you, sir. Our data states. All one night working. See, I then I'm my weekend again. And now, Mamma, then I'm going to call a couple. I was surprised today. Oh, no, to my Julia. You see how much. Yeah, but now you know Corona Central Bros. I am Jack. I go on. Him got a good night. That person will say, work together with Central way as somebody. Stephen. Young man, my days. So you have one what I am, what did I what I feel? Oh, yeah. Who never know what you are? By the way, let me show you a quick outfit of the day. I'm loving this. It's actually a shirt dress, sourced and sewn by somebody, Victoria. Unfortunately, she doesn't have an active IG handle. But in case if you like it and you would like to have it, you can always let me know in the comment section, and I will drop her number for you. So let me just show you a quick outfit of the day. So this is how they'll be sharing all the food items, which is known as their rights. They'll distribute it to everybody. But then I think it's only those that are present here. If you're absent, they wouldn't give you. So they only give it to those that are present. They have, this one is beans and corn. They have fufu apple, and they have, I think, meat as well. They will distribute. Okay, they also have soup to go down with the fufu. So they will distribute it as according to they will distribute it to all the people here, and then that is it. You're just done with your own omugwo. And as I heard, because I have 3 children, they are doing the omugwo for the 3 of them. They'll first of all, they will bring the first cooler, which is for my first child. Then they'll bring the second cooler for my second child, and they'll bring the third one for the third child. The same thing with the fufu. They will have the measurements for the first, and then the second and the third. So that is just it. And then they'll also share drinks, but I don't know if the drinks, I think they also before, okay, like last time before he invited them with the invitation, he has to, before my husband invited them, he has to give them drinks, which serves as an invitation. Then they'll fix the date of the day the omugwo will take place, and that's it. That is it basically. And I also think that like it's also a way of bringing the kinsmen together apart from the regular meetings. Like almost everybody's busy with their activities during, so now with the OMUGWO, everybody comes together and they share that communal lifestyle. Ihe jimana ndị Igbo. So that is just it for this vlog. I hope I'll be able to get more details, but if I don't, please enjoy the video. Please do enjoy the little one that I did, and hopefully you do enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. So they have eaten and drunken, and yeah, now they are jubilating, celebrating, being merry and being happy.